Great. Startup Lanes I've been observing for a while now. And I think Startup Lane provides a great platform for the startups to connect with the real world. Now, from my experience, the startups have a great product, but they have little idea as to how to commercialize it. They bring some great product concept, technology, innovation, but I think to go to market, they are not privy to the kind of ecosystem that is needed to succeed. So I think Startup Lens is one such avenue which helps them connect with stakeholders, different stakeholders. And that stakeholders could be by way of firming up supply chain to make sure there is a good sustained delivery against the promise. Startup Lane could help them connect with set of investors who would be excited to fund the kind of venture so that they are able to scale up. Startup Lanes is a platform where they can use and leverage the kind of community that we have to create new customers. And obviously, put up your success story, inspire other startups. And I think it is one platform that brings together everybody. And as such, it's a win-win proposition for a startup also, and also for other stakeholders, because it's a, let's call it, meeting of minds. So the job that Startup Lane is doing in this space is really commendable, because India is already emanating or emerging as a great startup innovation company. We are rising fast in the rank of innovative nations. And I think we need more clones of Startup Lane so that the startup ideas and innovators can actually benefit from the fantastic community that you're creating in their journey to commercialization and scale up.